Hello and welcome to Rhonda Says. No, I'm Rhonda Said. It's in the past tense. I'm currently saying things, so when you hear this, this is what Rhonda said in the past, but you're watching it in the present, which is kind of mind-blowing. Ooh, what kind of multiverse are we living in? Are we living in a time zone that we can't identify? I don't know. But I'm here today and I'm excited. I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. Why am I so excited? Because I've got the Glam Bag X. Yeah, the Glam Bag X. Woo! And even though I know what's in here, once I see it in person, I think I'm going to be much more excited than I am in general. Because the good and bad thing about the Ipsy Glam Bag X, let me go on and tell you, Ipsy Glam Bag is a $25 a month box, and you usually get 5 items, and there's value of over $125 usually. And Glam Bag X is $30 more, so it is $55. And you get a bunch of high-end products curated by, so far, some well-known people. And this one was curated by Khloe Kardashian, and this is what it looks like in here. It is very exciting, I tell you, very exciting. And I'm just grabbing my paper with the details and the prices. So there's a whole bunch of stuff in here for $55, and it's a bargain. I will tell you that right up front. I'm getting my money's worth out of this. And let's just take a look at what I got. And it comes with this little magazine. It says Glam Bag X. And it says, your invitation to glam. Welcome to my world, love. I'm so excited to have you. Thanks, Khloe. I feel like I'm part of the Kardashian family with this little newspaper. And in here, it talks about the different things that you could get. Now, I didn't get everything that's listed. Nobody does. Like, one thing that's listed is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I've talked to many people, and nobody got that one. Nobody got the Magic Cream. It's $100. And I really wanted the Magic Cream. But I got some other stuff instead. So, I won't be sad. I won't pout. I won't throw a fit. There's plenty of things in here. And let's talk about what I have. Woo, party. Now, I will start at the beginning with the most expensive item. And this is from 111 Skin, which I don't really care about 111 Skin. But it's fancy schmancy and it's expensive. And this is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. And this is Khloe's secret weapon. For skin that looks lit from within, it contains rose water and niacinamide to brighten skin, hydrating hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic. To plump and light reflective gold to instantly illuminate your complexion. Let's take a look. This is $135. Which is, you know, more than the value of the Magic Cream, but I really wanted Magic Cream. And it is a beautiful package. Look at that. That is stunning. Let me take a look at what's inside. And it's milky. I'm going to put a little drop. 2 drops on the back of my hand. And it runs. Ooh, it's a serum. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells so good. Maybe this will be good for my face. Maybe I will give it a try. Oh, it smells so good. I keep smelling my hands. I promise I wash my hands. It just smells like this. It smells amazing. Okay. I'm not going to poo-poo on this anymore because it smells ridiculously good. All right, $135. I'll give it a try. I'll add it to my routine. We'll see what happens. All right, so we've got that. And then next up, I see is from Ole Hendrickson. Olay Henriksen. I have some facial, I do the baby fat facial, which is amazing. And this is the Banana Bright Eye Cream, and it is $39. And this brightening eye cream disguises even the darkest under eyes. I need that because I have dark under eyes. Vitamin C and E plump skin, while color correcting yellow tint inspired by banana powder instantly camouflages dark circle and redness. So let's take a look. It's got a little, ooh. And it is a bright yellow. I'm not gonna get my fingers in it yet. I'm gonna keep it sterile. And I can't really tell what it smells like because all I can smell is that 111 Skin stuff right now. It smells so good. But I'm excited about this because I like a good eye cream. Maybe I'll start using this under my makeup. For a chance, I will use it under my makeup. Maybe, baby. Then I've got RMS Beauty. This is Lip to Cheek and Demure. And this is, you know, the perfectly flush skin in all of your Chloe selfies. She gets it with this. That's amazing. Use your fingers to tap it on your cheeks, lids, and lips for a soft flush and dose of good for you shea butter and Brightening oil. Oh, that's really beautiful. I'm not much into cream stuff, but that would look really great with my complexion. I keep smelling. Why am I smelling freaking cheek tint? That's crazy. All right, but that's nice. $36. We'll see about it. We'll see how nice it is. We can see. We'll check it out. We'll check it out. We will. Then we've got from, oh, I ordered this. I think, yeah, in add-ons. I ordered this in add-ons and it came in my box. Just to let you know, this is an add-on. This is not part of the deal. And this is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 Pro Series. I've got the Essentials 1 already. Let's take a look at this. I was like, 2 palettes? What? Oh, it's beautiful. It's just a really beautiful palette. And I will do a look at that one day soon. But it's really nice. Or maybe it'll go in a giveaway. It was reasonably priced, like 12 bucks or something. 12 or 18, I can't remember. I think it was 18. Could be 12. I don't know. But that's very nice to have on hand. I will go to, I usually save this for last, but this is the Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And I already have this, so I'll be trading. I'll hopefully be trading with someone for the one size palette from Patrick Star because I've not tried it yet. And this is a beautiful velvety touch palette. And the colors are gorgeous. And you can make every kind of soft, beautiful, romantic, natural kind of look that you want. And even the brush in there isn't bad. So this is a $45 palette. It says the range of neutrals to berries and matte and metallic finishes all have Chloe's stamp of approval, but you don't need to be a pro to use them. Even I can use them, and I'm not a professional. They're easy blend and highly pigmented. So that's $45. Very nice. Let's see, I need to flip the page. Easy for me to do. And then I have a MAC lipstick. And let's see, I've got it written down here. Whatever's not in here, I've got it written down here. And this is the MAC lipstick in Bated Breath. And I do not use the stick lipsticks, the bullet lipsticks. I like to use liquid lipsticks. And this is, looks like it's gonna be a gorgeous color. And I could trade or sell it. And it's got a beautiful bullet. Look at that, with the pink and the black. And that is a gorgeous color that would look fantastic with that Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. That is a gorgeous color. if I were to wear like stick lipsticks, this would be one that I would wear. It's very beautiful. This is $21. Next up we have, this is very fancy as well. And this is the CEO Glow from Sunday Riley. And this is a turmeric oil. And it is $40, it says. It seems like it should be more than $40. But what do I know? I'm just a girl. No, it's 40 bucks. But this is very nice. And everybody loves Sunday Riley. And it says, dark spots who? This fast absorbing oil is packed with a cocktail of skin brighteners. So it's going to brighten your skin up. Then we have from Moon, it's by Kendall Jenner. I don't really care about the Jenners or the Kardashians, but anyway, this is a teeth whitening pen, and I'm all about that because my teeth are stained from years of coffee and tea and sodas, and when I smoked for a long time. And this is a tooth whitening pen, and it is $20, and it is very nice, and it's got directions, and it says remove the cap and click the button at the end until the whitening gel dispenses. It may take several clicks with the first use. Smile and brush a thin layer on teeth. Wait 30 seconds before closing mouth and 10 to 30 minutes before eating or drinking. Apply up to 2 times a day for 2 weeks, and do not use in combination with coffee, tea, cigarettes, or other substances that may impact the whitening effect. Well, what's the point? Because, I mean, I'm going to drink coffee and tea. But I'll try it anyway. And for 20 bucks to brighten up my smile, even just a little bit, sounds great. And then last but not least is the Olaplex No. 0 hair bonding stuff. I've never used Olaplex, but I know that it's great for your hair. And people swear by it. And this is $28, and it says patented proprietary technology and a proven, but well, let me not struggle. Let's not struggle. Let's be honest, Rhonda. We can't read. Hair reparative system trusted by stylists worldwide. This intensive bond building treatment is best used as a 2-part system with No. 3 perfector to strengthen and repair all types of damage. And you apply this to dry hair, saturate from root to tip, leave on hair for 10 minutes, do not rinse, apply a generous amount of the other thing, and then rinse, shampoo, and condition. So I probably will not be running out to get the other thing, but I'm always about making my hair better because, you know, I do the fun things to my hair. So this is great, and $28. So what we've got so far is this and this, the hair stuff, the teeth stuff, the lipstick, the palette, the skin glowing serum, the two-step blush lip thing. We got the Banana Eye cream, and we've got the 111 Skin, and this is a value of $400 for $55. And this is a great value. Even if, you know, I know I didn't get the magic cream that I wanted. That's okay. But I've got a lot of stuff in here that I'm really excited about. And this smells amazing. I can't tell you enough how good that smells. But there's a lot of great things in here, and I totally got my money's worth. And, you know, maybe next time I'll get the magic item. This time, no magic item. But I'm very happy with my Glam Bag X. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.